Here?
Yes, yes.
Is okay? Perfect. He's gonna close in on you, so don't worry. Let's have you sit up tall. Good. All right. So let's relax your head to the right. Good. Let's look this way. Look up for me a little bit more. Good. Excellent. All right. So let's have you relax your head this way a little bit. Look up to the left for me here. A little bit more. Good. All right. Can I get a thumbs up? Yeah. Thank you.
Amazing. Thank you, doctor.
Oh, you're welcome.